como Don Pere, quemando la cherry, me mata como me bebes de...
Family, Diesel Toretto, like, my throat. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Betty. We're going up, blah, blah. On our way to Vegas right now. Me and my boy Mikey. The reason for going for Vegas is because we're going to a car show. I'm gonna be judging at the car show, and he's gonna be showing at the car show. See you when we get there. That's that good stretch. That's that good stretch. We finally made it. All right, we're here at the Fusion Garage. We got a couple last-minute prep work going on with Ren's car and Mikey's car. I don't have a car here, unfortunately. Sucks. Again, maybe next time. How's this wing coming along, bro? How are you feeling?
I don't know. So right here we have a ringworm. So there's a lot of wrinkles here. I don't know who did it, but
maybe my son.
probably.
I think my son was out here rapping when I was inside the meeting. I can get bad at him. It's done already, you know.
We made it. Day of the show. I'm missing the DJ, but we got everything set up. We all the cars lined up, nice and good. We out here cruising in the Honda electric bike. Dope as fuck. This is Ren's. Gotta be careful. I'm using only one hand. No brakes. This show has been really cool so far. It's been a great turnout. A lot of cool cars. I think my favorite of the show is this one. Favorite right there. The owner. Great. A lot of drift builds over there. There's a good one over there too. Ooh, look at this BMW. Okay.
Wait, you press it down, right?
Yeah, down. Yeah.
You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, woo, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. Woo!
Como yo también, perdón, mas no se va a poder. El flow que tengo no es de ayer. Mucho sufrir costó para merecer. Mientras yo me echo un pase por el ley para subir, yo me asocié. Y el que no arriesga nunca le va bien. El cuello ice como Lucifer, brillan diamantes en mi ser. Perdón, niña, no se va a poder. Voy con mi lira a componer. Rápido pasa el Audi color gray. Me sirve un DAP, ¿quién me lo va a poner? Pues este estilo no es de ayer. Se lo repito por última vez.